And now next task in the fluent section is to make the mesh independence study for the coarse, medium, fine mesh. And let me create these three fields here, which are the coarse, medium, and the fine mesh. And also we have the point 1. I'm not going to format them like I did in the slide, which you can do on yourself, which is very easy to do. And the point number 3, and also make it in a simple way, this cell which was merged, and also this one. And now from the fluent for the, let's say, coarse mesh, I will go for the results, and here surface integrals, and I will choose the vertex average, which I did previously for plotting the data on the 3 windows, and the variable is the temperature, and select these 3 points and compute, and also display in the default view. And here we have these 3 values for the point 1, 2, and 3, and place them in the Excel. And you can change the data to the columns. Next, and finish, and copy these data into the respective location for the point 1, for the point number 2, and point number 3. In a similar way, I will do that thing for the medium and fine mesh as well. Here you can see that I plotted data in the Excel, and data is slightly different for the coarse mesh, and also for the medium mesh, and also for the fine mesh. And if you take a look on the data, you can see that for point 1, the coarse mesh and the medium mesh and the fine mesh has a very slight difference between the results. It's almost 30, it's almost 31, it's a 30. So we can say that the almost we are getting the mesh independence on the point number 1. And if you take a look on the point number 2, you can see that there is reducing slightly 27, 26.96 and 26.31. And again for the point number 3, the trend is same as the point number 1. But the data I have presented in the PowerPoint slides, they are somehow different format. For the point number 3, data is slightly different, but the trend is same. But as far as the point number 1 is concerned, again you can see that the data is different, but trend is same. The 28.23, and now values increase from 28.37 to the 28.28 to the 28.37, and similarly there is difference between of the point 1 or point 2. And based on these results, we can confirm that we have achieved the mesh independence even for the coarse mesh. If you run the case, the results will be not much different than the medium mesh and the fine mesh. So therefore, based on these results, I can say that safely that if you run the case on any of these meshes, the results will be the same. And as far as if you ask me about my opinion, I would go with a medium mesh, because I would be more comfortable and I have more confidence in the medium mesh because it is going to be near to the fine mesh. This is all about how you can produce the mesh independent results and how to check them based on the different variables at the different locations. And this can be also done on some plane location, that is to make the averaging on the outlet whole plane. This can be done on some isosurface. This can be also done on a single line, and that will be explained in the next section on the CFD post.